Take down, start. As common question of law and facts arise in this group of appeals, all these appeals are decided and disposed of together by this common judgment and order. Full stop. Civil appeal numbers 10788 of 2016 and civil appeal number 2898 of 2021 are with respect to the state of Uttar Pradesh, and the rest of the civil appeals are with respect to the state of Uttarakhand. Full stop. It is to be noted that the relevant rules applicable to the employees of the state of Uttarakhand are as such parameteria to the relevant rules applicable to the employees of the state of Uttar Pradesh. Full stop. Para. The dispute in all these appeals relates to determination of the seniority of assistant engineers working in the rural engineering department, and the common question involved in the present group of appeals is whether the services rendered as ad hoc prior to their regularization shall be counted for the purpose of seniority, etc., or only from the date of their regularization, regularizing their services as per the relevant regularization rules. Full stop. Para. At the outset, it is required to be noted that as such the high courts have heavily relied upon the decision of this court in the case of Secretary Minor Irrigation Department versus Narendra Kumar Tripathi, reported in 2015-11 SCC, and have held that services rendered by the respective assistant engineers as ad hoc also shall be counted for the purpose of seniority, meaning thereby their seniority should be considered from the date of their initial appointment as ad hoc. Full stop. The decision of this court in the case of Narendra Kumar Tripathi Supra shall be dealt with herein below. Full stop. Para. For the sake of convenience, civil appeal number 10788 of 2016 is treated as a lead matter, and the facts from the said appeal are narrated and considered for the purpose of deciding these appeals. Full stop. Assistant engineers were given and ad hoc appointments in the year 1985 after an advertisement had been issued. Full stop. Their services were subsequently regularized on 14/12/1989 under the provisions of the Uttar Pradesh regularization of ad hoc appointments. Full stop. Para. At this stage, it is required to be noted that earlier the regularization of ad hoc appointments were as per the Uttar Pradesh regularization of ad hoc appointments on the post within the purview of the Police Service Commission Rules 1979, hereinafter referred to as the 1979 rules, which came to be subsequently extended from time to time. Full stop. Therefore, for all practical purposes, the respective ad hoc employees were governed by the 1979 rules, which came to be extended by the 1989 rules. Full stop. A final seniority list was prepared on 14/12/2001. Full stop. The services rendered by such assistant engineers on ad hoc basis were not counted for seniority purposes, and their seniority was determined from the date of their regularization on 14/12/1989. Full stop. Para. One Sri Narendra Kumar Tripathi filed the petition even before the declaration of the final seniority list, challenging the order, rejecting his representation, and according to him services from rendered by him as ad hoc prior on 14/12/1989 shall also be counted for the purpose of seniority. Full stop.